hello, namaste, welcome to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. If you guys are new to my channel, I want you guys to check down the description box below so that you could find all the tutorial links below and learn them and come back to this video. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Today we are going to learn 3 basic steps of Kuchipudi, by which we end a pack of 10 steps. If you guys are seeing from first, then congratulations guys, you have completed the 10 basic steps of Kuchipudi. Let's get into the video. Now, for the legs of the 8th step, we'll put our legs in V shape, then we'll bend, then we'll put our right leg forward. The right leg will be in a straight format without any bending. It should be in the straight format, and left leg should be in bending. So 1, 3 will be again a tap. 1, 1, 3. Dip, dip, time. Dip, dip, time. Dip, dip, time. Dip, dip, time. So for the hands, we'll put our hands near to the chest and we'll be in bending position. Now I'm not showing the legs because we have already seen the legs. Now just let's see what the hand movement is. So first we will do the right leg. So dip, dip, tight. Dip, dip, tight. Dip, dip, tight. Dip, dip, tight. Which means first we take out right hand, then get back into position, then left hand, then back into position, right hand upwards, back into position, left hand upwards, back into position. So for the whole step, we put our legs in V shape, bending position, put our hands near in front of our chest, then we start as dip, dip, tight. 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 For the 9th step, it's similar as the 8th step. We'll be in V shape, we'll be in bending position. Here only we add a tap, which means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means time, dip, dip, time. Time, dip, dip, time. Time, dip, dip, time. Time, dip, dip. The 9th step is similar to the 8th step. The hands doesn't change, but we give a break. While we tap, we give a break. So it is time, dip, dip, time. Time, dip, dip, time. Time, dip, dip, time. Time, dip, dip, time. For the whole 9th step, we get into the V shape, bending position, and time, dip, dip, time. 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 For the 10th step, we'll be as usual bending position in V shape, then we tap both the legs. Time, time, dip, dip, time. Time, time, dip, dip, time. When we do the right side, we start with the right leg, tapping right, then left, then dip, time with the right leg. Then with the left, we start with time, time, dip, dip, time. So it's time, time, dip, dip, time, 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 dip, dip, time, Now for the 10th step, the hands are, we'll put the hands in the Padma Kosham, and it is thigh, thigh, this, thigh, which means we are taking away our hands and stretching them forward towards right as we do the right leg. Then thigh, thigh, then thigh. The same way we do towards the left side also. So hand goes as thigh, thigh, this, thigh, 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 this, thigh. The 10th step, we get back into our V shape, bending position, put our hands like this and start as thigh, thigh, this, thigh, 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 this, thigh, 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 this, thigh, 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 this, thigh. Hope you guys understood all the 3 steps today and as well as all the previous steps. So you have completed your 10 basic steps of Kuchipudi, guys. So you can proudly say that I know some basic steps of Kuchipudi now. So to see more content like this and to learn dance and things related to dance, keep watching Nruthyamrutha. Please do hit the subscribe button, which is in red. When you hit, it turns into ash color and you get a notification bell. Please click on that bell as well. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and come back soon.